The best jigs and sleds need a great handle, but they've not always been easy to find, until now. You want a handle you can wrap your hand around, strong enough to effectively control your sled, and offering versatile mounting options. And we've got just what you're looking for. Our handles are about 1 inch thick and measure 5 inches between mounting holes, so hands of all sizes can get a grip. The handles come with a pair of MatchFit Track Nuts, screws, and washers, so you can mount a handle anywhere you mill a dovetail groove. Just slide the track nuts in and lock your handle in place. The handles can also be mounted using machine screws up to 1/4 inch in diameter, attaching them using standard nuts, threaded inserts, or T-nuts. Or they can be simply secured with a couple of wood screws. This is especially useful if you just need a backer for a quick cut at the table saw or router table. Whatever it is that you need to keep a grip on, Microjig's handles are among the best available to keep you safely and comfortably in control of your jigs and sleds.